Welcome, folks. We're back with the second game of opening day weekend. And today we have the Monkeys versus Vipers. A pretty good matchup here. Should be close, but let's get right into this. Watch out for fly balls. Let's go.
That didn't go through the middle.
Oh, yeah.
No, it went right here.
What's up, brother?
It's not even.
Let's go! Yeah, boy! 3-0! Hello? We hit into the... Hey! Yeah! First pitch of the game! Good
Classic, Evan.
Alright, one out.
Yeah. So you're on the case.
Strike your beater with the... I thought I did that.
Did you beat him with the crown shot?
Let's go 2. Let's go 3. Get go.
Close it. Guys, it's 3-0, right? Hold it.
Hey, Evan, we just need you.
It's on base.
Homer! Let's go! Wait, do we...
Okay, Evan. Okay. I sound like JoJo Siwa. Evan.
Do that. Homer! Let's go! Yes. Go! Oh my God! Anthony!
That was so hard. Over. Is the Vipers
It's
era
one-
over?
it's one
inning.
hit there.
So crazy. I agree. Yeah.
Three's fine. Oh!
I'm encouraging you. I want to get the photo a wild photographer in action. Third strikeout.
Give me a break on your team. Just shut that door.
At least. Yeah. Wait, how many outs just now?
I'm gonna hit a home run.
I hit a ratchet.
That's creation pickup of the year. Get it, run it out, boy.
Yeah, he's out.
Hey, change it. Yep. Oh, yes!
Are you cussing me? He said he was at practice.
You're at first.
Daddy hacks, Jack. Daddy hacks.
Good eye, boss.
This one on base. Potato, potato, that's my motto.
Good eye. Jackie, baby.
Yo, Yo, run it up. Not me.
Foul.
On leash. Oh. And a boy, run it out. Oh. That's fun.
Nice job against that.
Oh.
I'm gonna go practice for my team.
And a boy. Say
Go
one,
two,
say
go
one.
two, go
Go
two.
warm up. Let's go warm up.
Warm up.
That's okay. Yeah. Go Logan, go Logan, go! Go Logan, go Logan!
Oh, the next game,
Take third because he's the best.
Because you guys went first, right? No, we went.
Oh no.
That's no. Oh, I thought that was yeah.
Go, 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 go!
Yeah, I like your jersey. Nice. Good hit, Logan. That is the end of game 2 of opening day weekend. Let's go. Crocs versus Playmakers next.